it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? No? Okay, it's a miracle. Thanks for joining me today, guys, for some more Lolita and Kawaii lifestyle content. If you'd like to stick around for more, I do post new videos on Thursdays, so feel free to hit subscribe down below or the like button if you like this video while you're watching. All that being said, between you and me, the most popular video on my channel actually isn't even about Lolita fashion. Yes, my most popular video to date is actually my Kawaii desk makeover video. Let me tell you, I did not see that one coming. But it does make sense. I myself was inspired to make that video because I was obsessed with watching other people give Kawaii makeovers to their bedrooms, their desks, their cars. I was obsessed with it. And I too wanted to be in on the fun. I was actually really proud of that video, so I'm really glad that it's, the most viewed on my channel. And I've been thinking, maybe I should continue to make it almost like a series of sorts. How Kawaii can I make my desk? And then it just so happened that I got a very interesting message in my inbox on Instagram. And the message was from these people right here, eColor. And surprisingly, even though I'm quite a small channel, you'd be surprised at the amount of spam that I get in my Instagram inbox and in my email. It's a crazy amount. So when I saw the message from them, I was like, okay, let me just look through this. And I get the most random stuff people want me to unbox or review in a video, like, bruh. I know y'all did not look at my channel for even 2 seconds, so I was kind of expecting that to be, similar. However, in one of their promotional images in the message that I got, they had this lamp in really beautiful, like, pastel gradient colors with an anime figurine, like, sitting in the little nook here, and they got me. And then when I looked closer, I had realized that I had been seeing this in other Instagram photos of Kawaii desk stuff, and I was like, oh, this is actually a thing. This is like a normal, appropriate thing that someone sent me in my inbox. I have to take them up on it. So this moon lamp was very kindly provided by eColor. You can find it on Amazon. If it's any good, I will have it linked down below. Hopefully it is. Let's find out. All right, so let's take a look here at the eColor Smart Table Lamp. It's got some stuff on the front here. It says Smart Table Lamp, share pleasure of smart lighting. Are we allowed to do that on YouTube? And further, it goes on to say, light your home, leap your heart. That doesn't sound very safe. However, I would like to light my home, so I'm willing to take a chance. We got some other schmutz on the side here. It has a dimming feature, warm to cool lighting, and can you believe it? 16 million colors. I didn't even know there was that many colors. It was like when I realized there was a Luigi's Mansion 3. What happened in 2? Anyway, this. Okay, now I did bring some scissors in here. Are you sitting on them, Pusheen? No? Did you take them? All right, what's in here? Oh, okay, so it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. User manual. I'm sure this will be beneficial to me. But here is the lamp. That's bigger than my head. Not that I got a big head, got a small brain. All right, I'll get all the bits and bobs out and then we'll take a look at the, 16 million different colors this thing can do? I hope you got some time. All right, so several moments and one extension cord. All right, so several moments and one extension cord later, the lamp is on and it is bright. But yeah, so okay, points, it does work. Confirmed, does work. Ugh, I'm gonna be inspired to take a lot of moody selfies with this, dang it! Which can be found on my Instagram, which is always linked below. Or maybe I'll get into taking pictures of my figurines. I can't take another hobby. All right, so the lamp is on, but now I wanna make it different colors. Please hold. Okay, so I've just spent several moments wondering why when I was touching this, it was turning off and on. There's a touch power little panel up here at the top, so you just tap it and it turns on. That's actually pretty nifty. All right, so I've just spent the last few minutes just leafing through this. This is so easy to use, I don't even need this. But fun fact, the instructions also come in Dutch and Italian. So if you know Dutch or Italian, you can read this. I'll save it for you right over here. Okay, so basically the functions of this thing, you turn it on, it does the thing. There's a button here that says dimmer, and there's a button here that says my color. So the dim you can do a couple different ways. You can like hold it and it does a little dimming action there. There you go. Or you can like press it and it gets brighter or not brighter. But the part that I'm obviously most excited about is the my color half of this situation. So let's see what goes on here. I'm gonna press it once. Okay, that's oh. Okay, that's very weird. On the screen, I'm looking at it on the camera. In real life, it's like a blue lavender. On the screen, it looks like it didn't change color at all. I'm so dumb. Stupid dumb. I'm stum. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off and we'll get a better look at these colors. You know what? This isn't even showing it off how I want. Guys, now I'm gonna have to take moody video footage with anime figures in this lamp. Well, here I go. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my very informative and hopefully aesthetic review of the E-Color Moon Lamp. I really like this thing. It's super simple and easy to use. I think it has a really cute aesthetic payoff. You can take Instagram photos with it. If you have anime figures, obviously I just had a lot of fun using that for anime figure photography. Or if you just want to set it on your own kawaii desk to look pretty and stare at, I do recommend this. Now guys, obviously I'm not going to review everything that comes into my inbox, but I did think this was cute and simple and inexpensive enough to be worth your time. If you want something cute and aesthetic for your bedroom or your own kawaii desk, I really do recommend this. Again, this was kindly provided for free by E-Color. I was not paid to give a review. They simply sent it to my house and I've unboxed it and shown you here today. And if you want to go and buy it yourself, well, that's your own decision to make. And if you would like to do so, I will put the link down below for your convenience. Well, I'm gonna go set this up on my desk. I'll have to feng shui some of my kawaii items. And if you would like to go ahead and watch my previous kawaii desk makeover video, I will link it up above for you guys and down below. Well, thanks so much for coming by today. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!